The COCOCOZY Design House series is a social series that we put together, a first-time house flipper going through the process of flipping a house. I am not your traditional designer. I was a TV executive turned blogger, home blogger, turned influencer, turned design expert. This house is a Spanish Colonial Revival home built in 1930. It's a home with lots of character in the middle of Los Angeles, a great city surrounded by palm trees, and it has that old world charm about it. In this series, you'll get design inspiration, friction.
I think to even ask that.
So now Steve is getting mad.
This,
I don't want that.
you don't have to have it. Okay, I'm not telling you to take it.
I hate the palms.
And lots of laughter.
Hey, Pippa. Is Pippa blind? Pippa.
Is my hair sticking up again? You know, I wanted to do this series to kind of peel back the veil on design and design houses and to show you what it's really like that, you know, if you put your mind to something, even if you haven't done it before, you can do it.